Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Meet Sabachi, and I am Managada Tadsara of DMC Home. So today naman, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is yung bagong promo natin. So it is our Christmas sell-out promo. Okay pa? Hello po, kumusta po kayo? So, for this video po, ang i-discuss ko naman sa inyo is yung bagong promo natin. Actually, hindi siya bago kasi before nagkaroon na nito, pero last summer ito. Pero this time, this one is our Christmas sell-out promo. Okay, so the selected projects lang po ang meron tayo para dito sa Christmas sell-out promo natin. So, this one is effective from November 15, 2024 hanggang December 31, 2024 by end of the year. Okay, so meron tayong mga selected projects na kasama dito sa promo na to. So simulan na natin. So this one is for the RFO and upcoming RFO projects natin. Okay, so let's start with kasama ito Allegra Garden Place, the Crestmont, Kai Garden Residences, Prisma Residences, and si Sonora Garden Residences. So ito, kasama ito sa Christmas sellout promo natin that simula November 15 hanggang December 31, 2024. Okay, so ito yung promo natin. So with a minimum down payment po of 12% in 24 months, meron kang 3% discount. So that's the first option. Second option, 20% down payment in 30 months with 2% discount. And lastly, yung 12% down payment natin in 36 months, okay, with 1% discount. Okay, so yun yung promo natin for those projects. Si Allegra Garden Place, kasi ito, nandito ako sa roof deck niya, Allegra Garden Place, and kay Crestmont, kay Car Garden Residences, okay, dito sa may Mandaluyong natin, kay Prisma Residences, yung katabi ni Allegra, and lastly kay Sonora. Okay, and then the next one is kay Satori Residences. Okay, so kasama si Satori Residences sa summer sellout natin. We're in for 12% down payment in 36 months. Dito walang discount. Okay? And then the second option natin is 12% down payment in 30 months with 1% discount. And lastly, in 12% down payment in 24 months with 2% discount. Okay? Again, kay Satori Residences po yun. And then dito naman for the pre-selling projects natin, meron tayong dalawang project na kasama sa Christmas sellout promo natin. Firstly, kay Kalinea Tower. So this one is our project in Caloocan. Okay, so tatlong options ulit tayo. Ito medyo mas mahaba siya. 12% down payment in 48 months with 2% discount. 15% down payment in 48 months with 2.5% discount. And lastly, 20% down payment in 48 months with 3.5% discount. Okay, applicable ito sa lahat ng units. And then last project natin kay The Erin Heights naman. So kay The Erin Heights, tatlong options ulit, 15% down payment hanggang ma-turnover unit with 3% discount. Second option, 15% down payment in 36 months with 2% discount. And lastly, 12% down payment in 40 months with 1% discount. So tatlong options din tayo. Doon yun para kay The Erin Heights. Okay, so yun. So that concludes our Christmas sellout promo. So again, it will run from November 15 hanggang December 31, 2024. So napakaraming projects ang kasama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 projects ang kasama natin, included dito sa Christmas sellout promo natin. Ngayon, if you want to know more about those projects po, nandyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Okay, pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, or pwede tayong mag-schedule lang site viewing. Pwede natin puntahan yung mga projects na yon, depende kung saan nyo gusto. And also, at the same time, standby din tayo sa mga next videos ko because i-explain ko rin yung mga sample computations natin for those projects, and also meron akong mga videos para sa mga model units natin, okay, dito sa project na to. Okay, so thank you very much for watching po. God bless po, stay safe po, bye bye po.